Lovely. Back over here. Give all your fans a big wet one. Not bad. Nice and juicy. He does some great impersonations. One of my personal favorites, Angelina Jolie. Don't be embarrassed, man. She's hot. Watch this. That's my mother-in-law. I know. I'm only kidding. Tell everybody what you think of Trisha's show. It's not very nice. That's disgusting. You spit on the microphone. Don't hit me. Knock it off. I'm serious. Stop. Are you making fun of me? Apologize. How about a round of applause for Archie? Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, how about a nice hand for all of our animal stars, trainers, and your host, Miss Trisha Lares.
Universal Studios and the American Humane Excellent play from Arrow. Great catch, John. Beautiful play for Pedro. Great work, guys. Let's see if I can get this gonna work. Nice try. Now place one of her favorite treats in front of our actor so she knows where to focus. I'll then step behind her and she'll respond to only my verbal cues. That's why we call this the work away.
Good. Quiet. Quiet. Good.
Quiet.
Quiet.
Lie down.
Quiet.
Sit.
Quiet.
Sit. Sit. Say quiet. Mark. Say. Lie down. Good. Stay. Side. Quiet. Side. On your side. Stay. Straighten up. Stay. Crawl.
Quiet.
Crawl. Crawl. Stay. On your feet. Stay. Sit. Stay. All right, you can have it.